Hey guys, good day, and yeah, we're in my garage right now, and I call it as my studio because I'm here. Just want to make it sound cool. Anyway, yeah, we're having another video right now, and like any other video that I have, I don't script it, I don't prepare. I'm not sponsored in any way. I might have this cap here, but no, I'm not sponsored, which is given to me. Hey guys, I just did this video earlier, and yeah, I'm a bit annoyed because the thing is the lighting was not good, and I used this 24 mil, and it looked better, so I had to redo this video again. Anyway, let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, good day, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna repeat the video that I've said earlier. Stop ranting, mate. Yeah, stop ranting. It's my fault. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna compare two lenses, and this is one of my series that I've been doing. I'm gonna compare two lenses that are actually the same, but I've used them, and what are my recommendations and everything else. And currently, I'm using the Samyang 18 2.8, which is a very good lens, and it's good now, and yeah, fix it well. And I want to tell you also that with all these videos, all these vlogs, or all these reviews, or firsthand, I don't know, whatever these videos are, these are not prepared. I don't have a script. I don't prepare a script. I'm too lazy for that. And I'm not sponsored anyway. I might be wearing this hat here, but I'm not sponsored with them. I just found this there hanging. And these lenses also, this is from Sony, and this was from Samyang. I'm not sponsored with them. These are all my ideas. This is just me wanting to do videos. So yeah, if I'm sponsored, I'd tell you and I'd be happy, but I'm not. But anyway, yeah. First of all, I have the Sigma 24f2. I had it after this one here, which is the G Master 24 mil. I just sold it yesterday, not today, this morning. I sold it this morning. I had it was the Sigma 24f2. It's made of metal. I like that lens, but the thing is, it's front heavy, and also the aperture ring of that one, I keep on hitting it. So I'm putting it on f2, and later on when I'm doing this with the camera, I hit it. I love shooting with my A7C original or my A7C2, which I've updated now. And the thing is, yeah, I've been having that problems whenever I use that lens. I keep on hitting it, so that's why I had to sell it. That lens has good image quality, but yeah, I just didn't like the front heaviness of it, and also I keep on hitting the aperture ring. So yeah, nothing bad about that lens though. But anyway, yeah, I had this one before that, and this is one of my favorite 24 mm lenses. This is the 24 G Master 1.4. It's very good. Focusing is so good. This was the first light Sony lens that I have bought. So when I bought it, I was like pretty scared because yeah, it was still very new and it was not on sale anywhere. I just got first copies because it was shortage with the chip. So yeah, I got this one here. I'm so happy with it. Only thing I was really concerned is that even if I don't use it, I use UV filters on my camera because I'm careful. These are expensive. I can't afford to buy new ones. But anyway, I sometimes remove them and shoot backlit, but I can see some flares on it. Could be me, could be my user error. I didn't really check. I was too lazy to check and fix it. But I just adjust, go to the side, and I get a good shot out of it. So yeah, this lens is good. But the thing is, I'm also doing videos. I do photos, and I use this a lot. But when I'm doing videos, I prefer to have a light setup. I want to use my A7C2 or my other camera bodies with a light lens, and I want to use lenses that if I break, I'm okay, but they're very good. So that's why I got the Samyang, where is it? Samyang 24 1.8. This lens is so light. The build quality is not the best. I can feel it's a bit plasticky, and look at the hood and everything. And the focusing is good, but it's not great. Sometimes it misses. So like when you're filming yourself, it gets confused that should I focus or what? Yeah. So it does that sometimes. I just want to tell you. But the quality of the photos or the videos of it is very good. The focusing is fine as long as you do a firmware update of this one. If you're using the new camera bodies like the A7C or any other new cameras, I'm using it on the A7C too, and it had problems with focusing, so I had to buy the dock. So I just did a firmware update. It's good. Goes out with this Samyang 18 2.8 also. So this lens is very good. I've seen some reviews wherein there are chromatic aberrations, and I can see if you do that on situations that are difficult, like backlit and everything. If it's too challenging for the lens, yes, to some point it's gonna have those. But I've used this on some challenging situations. I was able to get it, but it's well controlled. I think this one works well, so I'm not having any problems with it. When I shoot, it's fine. It's just that when you have the 1.4, you really think it's better, and then when you're shooting, you can feel it. Yeah, I like the 1.4 because it's 1.4, but this is good enough. If you can't afford this, this is good enough. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just recommending two. If you get any of these two lenses, they're good. But bottom line is, I hate YouTubers or vloggers or anybody who does reviews give you a safe answer. If you buy this, you get this, and I hate that. So I'm gonna get my decision, my final decision. If you have money, or if you don't have money, might as well get the G Master because it's the best one. It's the master. Yeah, that's my advice. Just if you don't have money, just save up and get one of these. But if you really need a lens and you're on a pinch and you can't afford it, and you know that you really can't afford this one in the future, might as well get this. This is a Samyang 24 1.8, and I got this used here in Australia at the time of this recording, which is 2023, for $500. And sometimes you get it cheaper if you wait for Amazon sales. I think this is around $700, $800. I don't know. Forgot. I didn't check. You can check online, but yeah, it's 2023 and it's December. So also, there was one who posted this on Facebook Markets for around $300, and it's like, it was so good. This has an option also wherein there's a button here that you can set for Astro. So like, there's instructions. I'm not gonna share that with you because you can search it online. But yeah, there's an option here wherein you press this and it focuses infinity. Like if you're in the dark, you're doing astrophotography, just press this and it focuses and you're good. So yeah. So going to the bottom line is that if I were to choose, and I didn't have any 24 mils, and if I were to choose one lens, I'd just choose the G Master because it's expensive. No, it's because it's a good one. Focusing is good, sharpness is good. It's a master. It's really good. So yeah, that's it. You know that's the answer, right? But yeah, you're hoping I'd choose this. No, I'd love to, but this is still better. This is better.